In this tip of the day, let's take a look at the OneCNC Arc Tangent command. Now, the Arc Tangent command is by far the most versatile tangent command provided by OneCNC. With an extended set of tangent solutions and instant feedback, it's a critical tool when creating geometry. Let me give you a demonstration. If we head over here to the command manager, select Arc and then Arc Tangent. We have our arc radius set at 750 thousandths, and let's first work on this combination right here of a line and a point. I'm going to select the line first, then the point, and it really makes no difference which entity you select first. But notice now when I take my cursor, I can get all four solutions. Very, very nice feedback. If that's the solution I want, I simply left-hand mouse click. All right, now let's take a look at this next combination of two lines. We're going to left click and left click. Again, it doesn't matter which entity you select first, but now I can move my cursor, and in doing so, I can get all 8 combinations. Very, very nice. Let's say that's the combination or solution that I like, so I'm going to left-hand mouse click. Let's take a look at this combination now, circle and a point. We're going to select the circle first, then the point, and again, once you've done that, you have the ability to move your cursor and get all 4 solutions. If you like the solution, simply left-hand mouse click. And let's finish this by taking a look at this combination of 2 circles here. We're going to left click and left click. Again, it doesn't matter which one of those circles you digitize first, and then all you do is move your cursor, wait till you get the solution, left-hand mouse click, and when you're done with the command, simply right-hand mouse click. Alright, that's the OneCNC Arc Tangent command, a very powerful and critical tool when creating geometry within OneCNC. Thank you so much for looking at this tip of the day, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.